We have chosen some of the biggest universities in the UK to educate people on the benefits of Google Pay. The students are absolutely loving the activation that we've got here. We're giving away a prize for anybody who downloads Google Pay: notebooks, tote bags, t-shirts, Google Home Minis, and of course the Google Pixel Book.
This is your brand new Pixel Book.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I was on my lunch break looking for a tasty snack, got stopped by the lovely Google guys, downloaded the Google Pay app, and then I won a Pixel Book. It was that easy.
Congratulations.